today's lesson is based on a finger exercise to get you playing your guitar and applying your fingers to the fretboard correctly. So here you have my first fret, second fret, third fret, fourth fret, fifth fret. These are my fret markers. So whenever I am playing the guitar, I normally use the fret markers. So for me, whenever I'm playing the guitars, your fingers, there's a finger numbering that you have to know. And it's their first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. So when I'm playing the guitar, it's important that I place my finger just directly before the fret marker here, which is this long mark here, the fret marker here. So when I pluck the string, I get my sound clearly. But if I am not putting my finger here and it's placed right here, it's gonna sound distorted and awful. So the most important thing to do is to place your finger at the fret marker right here and press it firmly to the ground. Then I'm going to use my second finger to put on the second fret, my third finger on the third fret, and my fourth finger on the fourth fret. Also, when I'm putting my fingers on the strings, I'm using this part, the tip of my finger here. So I place it on the string like this. I'm not holding it flat on the string this way, no. I'm placing it here and it's not touching the next string. So this exercise is a good exercise to use. So first finger here, second finger here, third finger here, fourth finger here. So if you look closely, I'm having a curve. So one of the most important things is to hold your guitar properly. I place my thumb at the back of the guitar here, and there's going to be a C shape between my hand right here, form like a C. Then if you're doing something like this, hugging up the guitar like this, it's wrong. If you're holding the guitar like this, it's wrong. Your thumb must be on the back of the guitar like this. The fingers one by one on the string right at the fret markers. Don't hold it flat on the guitar like this. If you hold it flat, it's wrong. Here, fret marker. Right here, you see it, fret marker. If I hold it flat, it's going to touch the other string. So off just like this. The same thing applies to my next finger. Next finger right here. Next finger right here. If you look closely, my fingers are not flat on the guitar. If they are flat like this, it's going to be a problem. My fingers are not flat on the guitar. They're off because I have the proper technique in holding the guitar. So one finger here, just slightly on the fret marker, and my next finger here, realize it's not touching the other string there, and then the other finger right here, and this one right here. So the exercise that I normally use to practice to get my fingers correctly on the fretboard and to play smoothly is, this is my sixth string, so I'll do this. 2, 3, 4. Then I move to my next string below. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next string below. Next string below. As long as you practice that on a regular basis, you should be good. So remember, when you're pressing on the string, it should not touch the other string like this. This is wrong. Finger right here, just on the fretboard. Make sure it's not touching the next string. Same thing applies to your next finger here. Applies to the next finger here. And your pinky here as well. So you practice every single day. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to the next string below. Same thing. Next one below. And you're good to go.